Hey guys, Tyler here with API Nation. Now, this last part here that I want to show you is a very advanced trick that we use for some people. First, when it's their very first time, they just started up the integration, they've never used a ShopBoss and QuickBooks Online sync before. Or two, if anybody is ever seeing, something strange in their books, or they need to fix something up, they want to go back and say, hey, let's reprocess the last 15 days of transactions. I want all of that to come back through the system. There is an option for you as well. So on the left-hand side, you'll want to click on accounting, and under accounting, you'll see in QuickBooks, you can go to this bulk transfer section. Now, bulk transfer, like I was just telling you guys, you see the warning in big red letters right there. It's very important that one, this is your first time that you've ever used ShopBoss and QuickBooks together, and you've never had this go through a sync before. But if you're unsure or you want to use this for other support reasons, please reach out to API Nation or ShopBoss support staff for help. It's completely free. Just make that phone call. We'll give you a hand. We'll guide you through the whole process. We'll make sure that nothing goes wrong when you are going through this. But when you say you understand the risks and you want to move forward, you will see you have the option to bulk transfer the last 30 days of repair orders, part sales, or payments. So I'll go ahead and pick repair orders just from today, just from yesterday to today. And just as easy as that, you can click begin transfer, and all of this data will be coming through from ShopBoss and going into your QuickBooks Online account. So you'll see that data transfer right there. It says, please wait at least 5 minutes before attempting again. And this page is just gonna sit here. It's going to do that work for you. It'll refresh itself. Give it a couple of minutes and everything will be processed just as you expect it to. And hey, that's it. So thank you guys very much for sitting down and watching this video. We hope that the QuickBooks Online and ShopBoss integration through API Nation does everything that you need it to. We're super excited to get this in your hands. And please, if you need any help, call our support staff. We really love doing this stuff. So thank you so much, guys.